Use a pouch of onion soup mix to add lots of flavors to this traditional sausage roll recipe. Start by combining onion soup mix, panko crumbs, and heavy cream in a large bowl. To that, you'll want to add your ground pork, Dijon mustard, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and some freshly chopped parsley. Use your hand to mix all the ingredients together until well combined and the mixture is nice and smooth. Roll out your 2 sheets of thawed puff pastry. Here they are 10 inch by 10 inch in size, and I'm going to cut each sheet in 2. Place each rectangle of dough on a flat surface. Divide the meat mixture into 4 equal portions and then shape into logs. Place them on each rectangle of puff pastry and then brush with egg wash. Rotate the dough until the meat is closest to you and use your 2 hands to gently roll away from you, making sure that the dough is nice and tight against the log of meat. There should be enough dough to fully encase the log and to create a nice tight seam on the bottom. Once the 4 sausage rolls are shaped, brush the tops with egg wash and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning. Transfer the sausage rolls to a cutting board and cut each log into 8 equal pieces, creating 32 sausage rolls. Transfer the prepared French onion sausage rolls to a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake in your preheated oven for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Make sure to save this recipe for the perfect appetizer at FrenchKissCook.com.